Hi friend, welcome my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today my topic of unsupervised classification by Pci Geomatica software. So open the Geomatica software and export the TIFF file format to fixed file format. So this input this image, subset 6, and export. Close this tab and open the Pci Geomatica Pci file format data. This is the open of the Landsat 8 data. There is no standard false color. So go to the layer RGB mapper to Landsat 8 data 543 and linear. This is the standard false color, and go to the analysis, image classification, supervised. Input this image and open the new windows of the new selection, new season. Go to the description, add layer. The input the channel to 1 bit. Add, close this tab and go to the red, green, blue 5, 4, 3. Input channel 3, 4, 5 and output channel single 1 bit data and MPT file format and accept. Open the classification. This means there is the parameter or value. There is the maximum number of the 50, the better classification. So I choose this 6th class. Maximum relation 3 and classify. This is the classification report, time and file. So close this tab and go to, this is the background color. So this is the image. Go to the analysis, image classification to post classification, class labeling. Input main image and comments accept. So open the, so this is the water body. In this color, water body. In this name, water body. and next there is the yellow, there is the dense forest. So change this name dense forest. Next there is the yellow land. Change this name and next this is the sand, the white. So safe. So this is the classification of this unsupervised classification. And close this tab and go to analysis, image classification, post classification analysis, class editing. This is the input main image and image. Select classified image. This is the k-means unsupervised image. Accept. So this is the class march of this. So select the region over entry file. Suppose there is the 2 and 3. This is the water body. Suppose I choose this 2 and 3. This is the march class. New class. Suppose 2 and 3. This is the march class. In this name, there is the water body. So this is the march this option image. March 2 class of this image. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. More update or remote sensing and GIS related work.